In this video, we're going to build a Shopify store in just 5 minutes using AI. I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Shopify, install the Atlas AI app, generate a store from a product link, customize your theme, and even generate AI product photos, bundles, and upsells without needing any design or coding skills. This is perfect if you're starting from scratch and want to launch a fully functional online store fast. Timestamps are below, and let's get started. Signing up for Shopify. To get started, you'll need to enter your email address. You can also sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook accounts. After that, Shopify will ask you a couple of questions about your business to help you get started. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll arrive at Shopify's dashboard. Downloading Atlas AI. Go to the search bar at the top of your screen, type in Atlas, and click on the top results. That'll bring you to this page where you'll click Install. Give Atlas permission to integrate with your Shopify account by clicking Install one more time, and after a few seconds, you'll arrive on this screen. Here, we can get started building our dropshipping store by adding a link from AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, or another Shopify store. Generating your store. For this video, I'll be using Alibaba. We will start our store with this basketball jersey. Go ahead and copy the link to this page. Open your Shopify store, select Alibaba, and paste the product link into this field. If you would like, you can change the language of your store here on the right. If you're all set, then go ahead and click Generate Store and give it a couple of minutes to spin up. Now we can choose the photos we want to import to our store. We can change these later, or if you're going to change them now, you can select different images or upload your own by clicking here. Since I'll be leaving them as is, click the Continue button. That will take you to this page where you can keep working on your store. On the right-hand side, you'll notice an area where you can view your changes in real time. Scrolling down, the auto-generated content looks pretty good. It's directly related to the type of product our store will sell, and it's presented in a sleek, professional manner. Let's continue customizing our store before it's even entirely generated. First up is your store's color palette. While there are many presets to choose from, you also have the option to pick custom colors by opening the menu at the bottom and adjusting the sliders. For my store, I'll choose the faded denim preset. Moving on, let's click products, where you can edit anything from your store information to choose what product reviews to display. Expanding each tab will allow you to customize every aspect of your store, from basic information to more advanced features, like a built-in comparison feature. At the top, you will also notice you can edit reviews, frequently asked questions, and your homepage. Since these can also be changed after a store is created, I will go ahead and click Continue at the bottom. To generate your store using Atlas, you'll have to pick a plan. Though using the basic plan would be good enough to get started, you'll want to choose the Pro plan to get the most out of what Atlas has to offer. You'll be able to try a 3-day free trial, but if you cancel your plan at any time, you will automatically lose access to your store. You will need to click Start My Trial here, select your preferred payment method, and then click Approve. As soon as your payment is approved, Atlas will start importing your store to your Shopify account. Once the process is complete, you'll arrive at this screen where you can click View Your Store. That will take you to the Themes page on Shopify. And in your theme library, you'll see your Atlas theme. This will contain the store we saw before subscribing. At the bottom here, you'll notice the version of Atlas used to create your store. For this tutorial, it is Atlas version 2.0. If you open the drop-down menu, it will display the message, updates are not supported for uploaded themes. In other words, once you have generated an Atlas store, you cannot manually update the version of Atlas your store runs on. Upgrading your Atlas theme will require you to create a new store and migrate all your products, pages, and branding to it. Manual customization. Alright, to further customize your Atlas theme, select Publish and confirm you'd like to replace Shopify's default theme. With your Atlas theme now set, click Customize. That will take you to this page. Before making any changes, navigate to the left side of your screen and open App Embeds. Go ahead and toggle both of these embeds on. Your store may or may not change at all, and that's okay. All that did was resync the Atlas app with your theme. Next, go ahead and open the Sections window on the top left side. This is where you can see all the assets of your new store. By clicking on an asset in this list or directly on your store, you can modify its appearance and functionality or replace it altogether. On the right, you will see the option to view your store in desktop, mobile, or full screen mode. While making your edits, be sure to click Save periodically on the right. For this video, that's all I will cover about manually customizing your store. If you're looking for a more detailed step-by-step guide to customize your Shopify store, then be sure to check out my prior video, Shopify for Beginners, where I covered that and much more. The link is down in the description. Okay, now let's go see what else Atlas has to offer by exiting the theme editor and returning to this page. Here, click on Apps, and in the search bar in the center of the screen, open the Atlas AI Store Builder by clicking on it. Adding more products. On the left, you'll see an expanded view of the Atlas apps features, namely the product pages, bundle deals, cart upsells, and AI product photos. I'll quickly walk you through product pages, a feature available with the basic plan. Product pages let you quickly add more products to your Shopify store. To get started, select the theme or Shopify store you want to add your new product to. Click Generate Product Page, and it will take you to this familiar looking window here. Since I'm adding another page to my basketball theme shop, I'll choose these shoes from Alibaba and click Generate Store. When that's done, you'll end up here, where you'll follow the same steps in the Generate Your Store section of this video. When everything looks good and you're ready to list your next product, you'll click Import Product Page. This will display a pop-up showing the number of credits you have left for the month. Since I chose the Pro plan, I have 140 credits remaining. In short, it costs 10 credits to create a store and 2 credits to add a new product. With 150 credits per month, you'll be hard-pressed to ever run out of credits. But if you do, you can always choose to buy more. Go ahead and confirm and give Atlas a bit to spin up the page. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds. I'll click View Store and open Atlas Theme by clicking Customize. To view the product page, click on Home Page in the top center, then open Products, and select the second item listed. And there they are, my basketball shoes. Let's head back to the online store window by clicking the Exit button in the upper left. Generate AI product photos. From here, open the Atlas app again, and you'll want to select AI product photos. Before generating your photos, you will need to work through several tutorial pages. Make sure to read them all in full, don't simply button mash. First up is the training photo requirements page. To get the best results, upload the product from multiple angles, remove the text and distracting background items from all images, maintain consistent product color and image quality, and upload between 5 and 8 images. There are also some example pictures shown below. Once you click Next, you'll be presented with another window that provides a more detailed breakdown of what to do and what not to do. Follow these guidelines as closely as possible for the best possible results. Next, you'll see a page that explains the process in more detail and presents the 3 training speed options for you to choose from. For your store, I highly recommend using the 3+ hours option, as it'll provide you with the most accurate and highest resolution images possible. Click Next. Since you will be able to tell the AI what you want your product images to look like, the page will detail the best prompting practices. Make sure to read the entire page, but the TLDR is to be as specific as possible, including angles, styles, shadows, and the setting. The next page will provide additional guidance on structuring your prompts. It is finally time to train the model, so click Train Your AI Model here. Ensure that you name your model after the products. Since I'm going to train for basketball shoes, I'll name this model White Basketball Shoes. You'll have the option to use the 4 images you initially picked when generating your Shopify store, or you can choose to upload different ones here. For this tutorial, I will use this 30+ minutes training option. After clicking Start Training Your Model, you'll quickly need to confirm that you plan to spend 15 credits training the AI model. It is 15 credits no matter the training speed you choose, so it makes no sense to use anything other than the 3+ hours option. Once you send the model on its way, you'll arrive on this screen where you can view the model's progress. While the model is training, you have the option to continue editing your Shopify store. I'll see you when my model is done. Now that the model has finished training, click the icon under Actions. Here is where you'll be adding your prompts. Atlas recommends using their AI-generated prompt action to get the best results. So that's what I will do. Give it a few seconds to write a prompt. When it's finished, give it a thorough read and make any necessary changes. Remember to add as much detail as you can, explicitly addressing the subject, lighting, setting, angle, shadows, and style of your products. I will keep the AI-generated section as is, but add the following prompts. The sneaker is being used by a basketball player on a wooden court. The lighting has a darkish undertone, something akin to what you'd see in a stadium or gym. The product will be viewed from the front and side. Shadows will be consistent based on the lighting and will be reminiscent of a professional athlete's photo shoot. When you're happy, click Generate Now, approve the 4-credit fee, and wait. This shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. And there you have it. Not too bad. Keep in mind that I use the 30-minute generation option, so I'd be interested to see what Atlas can come up with, given more time. I'll choose the Save 3 of these images and click Save Selected Images. Scroll up to the top of the page and open the new Saved Images tab. Here, I'll choose to download all 3. To use my new pictures, I'll select Products on the left-hand side. Make sure to click on the product's name, not the box. Under Media, click on the plus icon and select Add Media. Find where your product's AI-generated photos were downloaded and drag and drop them into the box. It'll probably take several minutes for the high-resolution images to be uploaded, so you can close this window and work on your store or opt to wait. My images failed to properly upload on the first attempt, so you may need to repeat this step. With the new product images uploaded, click Done. If you want to replace these stock photos with AI-generated ones, simply hover over the image you want to delete, fill in the check mark, and click Remove Here. There we go. If you want to make further changes to any generated image, such as resizing or rearranging the order of pictures, you will need to do that in the Shopify Store Customizer. Let's head back to the Shopify dashboard by clicking on Shopify in the left-hand corner. Creating and managing bundles. To get started, reopen the Atlas app by typing in Atlas in the search bar and clicking on it. Now, choose Bundle Deals from the menu. Don't worry about the notification up top. Instead, select either of the Create Bundle buttons on screen. Though you'll have the option to create a bundle from scratch, that's frankly a waste of time. Instead, read through the 4 prompts and choose the one that best fits your needs. For me, I'll go with the volume discounts. Be sure to give your bundle a name. Your customers won't see this, so I'll refer to mine as bulk buy. From here, you can make any changes you want to your bundle on the left and see the changes in real time on the right. I'll change the public title of the bundle to Buy More and Save. I'll leave the Add to Cart button as is. Next, we can select the products we want to include in this bundle. The options are All Products, Specific Collections, or Specific Products. A collection, by the way, is a grouping of similar products that you can set up in your Shopify store. For now, I only want this bundling option to apply to the basketball jerseys, so I'll click Specific Products, select the jersey, and click Add. With a product chosen, you'll have the option to select the size and radius of your product's images. I'll leave mine as is. There's also the option to edit each tier by simply clicking on its title. With this expanded view, you can change whatever you want. The most important setting, however, is the pricing type setting, where you have the option to change the terms of the bulk deal to find what works best for you. For my store, I'll stick to the percentage discount. At the bottom of the menu, you'll also notice the option to add a specific upselling section. Here is where you can encourage the customer to purchase another item before checking out. Under Upsell Products, I'll click on the Change Product icon across from all variants right here. I'll select the basketball shoes and click Add. For the upsell text, I'll add something basic like frequently bought together. Lastly, you also have the option to add a gift at any bundle tier. After you've got everything how you want it, scroll up to the top. Here, you'll have the ability to change the colors and text of the bundle space. Whenever you're done, click Publish Bundle. This will bring up a window where you should click Take Me to My Store to add the new bundle to your product page. Click Customize, select Home Page at the top, open Products, and choose the basketball jersey. There are several ways to add new assets in Shopify, but the easiest is to click where you want it to go. Moving my cursor between quantity and add to cart, I'll click on the blue plus sign, select Apps, Atlas, and it should automatically add in the Atlas bundle box. There we go. As always, make sure to click Save when everything is just right. If you decide to change the bundle in the future, however, you will need to make the changes directly in the Atlas app, not through the Shopify Store Customizer. And that's it for this video. Remember that using the link in the description will allow you to try Shopify for 3 months for just $1. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you with another world-class tutorial.